How to use Ventra App on CTA. At first, we need to download the Ventra App. However, just open the Ventra App and log in with your Ventra account. After logging, you will see this type of overview. Then click on Add CTA, and you can see two options on the screen. Click on Add a Transit Pass option. Then you will see a fare list. From here, you can select any pass you want to buy. Then you need to confirm payment with your Ventra card or using other methods. This is a very easy and useful app. You should use this regularly. Thank you for watching the video.